Hungary at this 100th race. Mark Cavendish returning to the Giro di Italia for the first time in 9 whole years. And 201 kilometres separated the peloton from start to finish in Kaposvár and Balaton-Fured. 2 intermediate sprints along the way and 1 very late climb. Not testing the legs too much though. Tihoin, a 4th category effort, just 12 kilometres from the finish line. Before the 5 points for the Maglia Ciclamino available behind were taken by Fernando Gaviria. Arnaud Démare was looking good. He finished in 2nd place in that mini sprint. Nizzolo and Girmay were up there as well. It was early. It wasn't. Cavendish was on fine form, continuing his sprint. Nobody was able to get around him. And Mark Cavendish, with win number 160 in his career, the right-hand side of this shot would finish 2nd. Fernando Gaviria would be up there on the podium with them as well. Biniam Girmay and Jakub Mareczko making up the top 5. Arms in the air again for Mark Cavendish. At almost 37 years of age, once more a stage winner at the Giro.